Hello friends, welcome to TechTechGuides. Today I will show you how to open your Canva presentation as Google Slides. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe to never miss an updates from TechTechGuides. So let's start. First of all, to share your Canva presentation as Google Slides, you need to sign up for Canva and Google with the same email address. In my case, I have signed in Canva and Google with same Gmail, so I can proceed. In order to save your Canva presentation as Google Slides, first of all head on to Share. Then you can see here more option. You can just click over here and search for Google. Okay, you can see here is Google Drive. Then simply click on this and pop-up will open as to connect Google Drive. Then click over here and simply connect your Canva with Google. Okay, then you can simply click allow. Now your Gmail and your Canva are connected. Then you can save your Canva presentation as Google Slides. Now over here you can see here file type. Here you can select PPTX PowerPoint presentation. Then simply save. Okay, just in a few minutes your presentation is saved to Google Drive. You can see here your design has been saved. Then you can simply view in Google Drive. Click over here and you can see here your presentation is in Google. See here, our presentation is exported to Google as Google Slide. Over here you can see our presentation is in the form of PPTX. In order to change to Google Slides, we can change this by simply clicking on File and Save as Google Slide. Yes, now you can see here our Google Slides is ready. So if you like this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe. See you.